Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the link tag. So what link tag does do is you can link like CSS files or any other SCSS files if it is be supported very soon in the future. Maybe support, I don't clearly know. So first what I'm gonna do is go to the head and use the link and real set css master. So this is the way you can link. You can if you want, you can specify the type to uh, text dot slash css. So text slash css, and yeah, it works fine, but I don't have any css. Just this is the way you can use css, because if you use the style tag and you type something, it will be a big mess. It takes so long of time. So this is the way you can work efficiency. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.